Sumatran rhino poop could help researchers solve a decades-long mystery of how many Sumatran rhinos are left in the wild. Estimates suggest there are fewer than 80 of this critically endangered rhino species left, which means that there isn't much genetic diversity left within the remaining population. This can have consequences for the successful and healthy breeding of future generations. But researchers hope they can find clearer answers about how many Sumatran rhinos are left by digging through their droppings for DNA. This method allows researchers to collect DNA samples without bothering the rhinos in the wild. But there are some challenges, because over time, fecal DNA can degrade and become hard to date. So researchers identified microsatellite markers that they can use to help distinguish between individual animals. These DNA markers will also help researchers tell if Sumatran rhino individuals are related, so they can determine how much genetic diversity remains in the species.